Is up, guys, and welcome to another edition of Marauders, beating the market one trade at a time. For you, Marauders investment channel helps you find best deals in the market. If that's something you're interested in, make sure you smash that thumbs up and subscribe. So, without further ado, jump into the penny stock picks for this week. So, it's going to be our penny stock watch list from the perspective of Webull. If you'd like to sign up for Webull, get 2 free stocks. I have a link down below. If you'd like to sign up for Robinhood, get a free stock. I have a link down below for that as well. So the first is going to be ticker sign BIOL. Second is going to be ticker sign VBLT. And the last one's going to be ticker sign CKPT. First of all, make sure you go add me on IG, market_Marauders. Make sure you add the clothing company, Sus Clothing. Yes, this is my clothing company. Make sure you go grab you some swag. And then also, make sure you go join the Patreon group so that you can join the live Discord group. So some people asked about the live Discord group. It is through my Patreon page, so make sure you go check those out. I hope everybody was able to lock in some profits this week. Hope everybody had a good week. The short week of the market being Labor Day, not much going on with that. But it definitely seemed to be a very short week overall. So first, let's jump into this one. Ticker sign BIOL. Moving average 10 on them is 28 cents. Moving average 50 is 29 cents. Moving average 100 is 28 cents. They ended the week at 30 cents. And it looks like after hours, they went down 1 cent to end at 29 cents. So if you look at them, they are at I would say beginning a bullish uptrend, but still bearish, denoted by this moving average 10 line being below the moving average 50 and the moving average 100 line. The VWAP definitely going up pretty high. Definitely one to look for in the morning when the market opens on Monday for an early morning mover. I definitely keep my eyes out on this one to see how it performs early morning. Going to some background information on them. Just going to read some highlights of the press releases from them. It says they present at H&C Wainwright's 22nd annual Global Investor Conference, BioLast, to highlight progress and recent achievements at the Colliers and Company Institutional Investor Conference. And it says also to present at LD 500 Virtual Conference. And they also regained NASDAQ compliance. So some pretty big things going on with the company. Any company that regains NASDAQ compliance, to me, is always a fantastic thing for the company as a whole, because a lot of companies, go completely downhill once they lose their compliance. So they're in the dentistry field, so I definitely would keep my eyes on them. Definitely a lot of things going on with the company, but this is just giving you an insight on what's going on. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, it's not financial advice, so bear that in mind. If you'd like to contact a certified CPA, make sure you do so. This is for educational purposes. So next one's going to be ticker sign VBLT. Their moving average 10 is $1.26. Moving average 50 is $1.17, and the moving average 100 is $1.17. So they ended the week at $1.35. It looks like after hours they went down 2 cents to end it at $1.33, and they are on a bullish uptrend. So that is denoted by the moving average 10 line being above the moving average 50 and the moving average 100 line. So yeah, I would definitely keep your eyes on them. Potential early morning mover on Monday. You may be able to lock in some profits on that one if they continue to run up. So with some background information on them, this press release came out on Friday. It says VBL presents human proof of concept data that shows potential of its novel anti-MOSPD2 monoclonal antibodies for multiple sclerosis at the MS Virtual 2020 meeting. Then it says VBL Therapeutics announces enrollment in the first patient, a phase 2 clinical trial of VB111 in metastatic colorectal cancer. So it looks like they have a lot of things going on in the cancer research area, or the niche, I would say. But definitely a lot of things going on with them. So I would definitely check these out. You can click on these press releases if you just Google press releases from the company like I did, and some good information from them. I know, proposed FDA, approvals or any FDA approvals that come out for any medical company, the stock shoots up. So definitely, I would say, keep your eyes out on this. It seems like they have a lot going on, company-wise, and it's not old information. This is all recent information. So the 8th, 10th, and 11th, that week was basically jam-packed with information of updates that they have going on. So I definitely keep your eyes on them for any, the slightest press release could make the stock shoot up even more. So last one for this week, we got ticker sign CKPT for Checkpoint Therapeutics. Their moving average 10 is $3.22. Moving average 50 is $2.71. And moving average 100 is $2.49. They ended the week at $3.32. Looks like after hours they went down looks like 10 cents to that $3.31. No, they went down 1 cent to that $3.31. Sorry, I misread that. And they are in a bullish uptrend, denoted by the moving average 10 line being above the moving average 50, and the moving average 100 line, which is this red line, the moving average 50, above both the yellow and the purple line, which is the moving average 50 and the moving average 100. Looks like they start to go sideways after they hit this $3.83 line, so that may be a resistance for them. But we'll see next week if they can test that resistance again. As time goes on. So going to their press releases, we can just see they're going to participate in 3 September 2020 virtual investor conferences. Says they presented virtual corporate access summit hosted by B. Riley, FBR, on Wednesday, August 19th. Then it says they reported their 2020 financial results and recent corporate highlights. So I would definitely go check those out. Go read those for yourself, and get some insights on what the company is doing. It seems like they're gaining quite a bit of momentum, especially with this investor conference that is coming out. They're basically outlining what conferences they're going to be having in September. So I definitely will look at that. That article actually came out on last Thursday. So pretty recent article, and definitely something to consider. Could possibly explain why the stock is going up so much or why it's continuing this bullish uptrend. But I'm here to point you in the direction to see where you can get that information. So definitely make sure you check that out. And drop a comment down below. Tell me if you guys are looking at this week as far as penny stocks are concerned. Very busy week coming up. Apple news, Tesla news. A lot of earnings coming up as well. A lot of press conferences coming up this well as week. So I'll try to keep you all up to date with a lot of the major ones that are going on, but definitely I'll be able to follow all of them at the same time. But good luck to everybody out there trading. Make sure you go at the IG, market_Marauders. Make sure you at the merch brand. Get you some merch, sus_clothing_brand. And then also make sure you join that Patreon group to have access to that Discord server with all that good information and more live plays, going on throughout the week. And good luck to everybody trading out there. Make sure, you check out the community tab. Try to post a lot of stuff to the community tab as well. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.